I've saved almost $13 on my unlimited hosting plan, and in this video I will share with you how. So the first thing, click on my affiliate link, which is hostinger.com/deal now. You will find this link in the description, and automatically your coupon code your discount coupon code will be applied. So from this, click on products to select the products that you want to sell, that you want to buy. For example, let's go for our web hosting. Select web hosting, and then click on view plans. Here, select the plan that you want to test or that you want to buy. Then, as you see, the coupon code is is automatically applied. Select the plan that you want to buy. For example, this unlimited plan. Make sure to select the correct period here, and as you see, I've got a discount of 7% on my order, and the coupon code is deal now. If for whatever reason your coupon code is not applied, first make sure to go to use the same affiliate link, hostinger.com/deal now, and here click on add a coupon code, type deal now, click on apply, and you will receive your 7% discount. So that was all for this video. If you have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.